Holy cow. No words, no words. Wow.
Very nice. Big.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, we want to thank everybody at CB Adventure Supply for hooking us up with this beautiful value cabin, and it's going to be some massive adventures coming. And I want to thank you again, man, for everything.
Thank you. We appreciate it. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, we're going to hopefully have a lot of fun doing rigging this out and getting it ready to go. So
yeah, and the adventures to come. That's what's going to be the most fun, right?
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. So we'll see y'all guys on the trail. Have a good one.